nest. Megs, Nutmeg here. Watch out. Watch your face. Here. Wow. There's babies in there. Look at them. She wants some mice.